Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gerardrick Townsend, and I've been investing in the stock market for about 10 years now, and I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel so I can share my knowledge that I gained over the years. You can become very wealthy in the stock market, but I don't want you all to think that it's some kind of get rich quick thing, because it's not. You have to put in the time, you have to research, you have to educate yourself on how the market actually works. If I would have put in the hours of educating myself, 5 years ago, as I have been this past year and a half, I would actually be retired now. But I didn't put in the time, and I want to give you all some of the things I didn't have and teach you all the things that you can use to help you be successful within the stock market. On this channel, I want to focus on beginner investors. I'm here for you all that's starting out, that have no experience investing in the stock market. I want to give you all what I didn't have and teach you all what I didn't know when I first began investing in the stock market. Because I know a lot of you may hear stock market, invest in the stock market, but no one has actually took the time to explain to you all how the stock market actually works. And like I said, we're going to start from the beginning. I'm going to tell you all how the stock market works, how you can build wealth within the stock market, we will actually discuss the different brokerages you have to start investing in the stock market. It's one of the first things you have to have, a brokerage account. And we're going to discuss all that in later videos. My goal on this channel is to do one video per week, and I want to upload them every Monday. We're going to talk about investing in individual stocks, ETFs, and index funds. We're also going to talk about budgeting. Budgeting is a big part of being able to invest. You have to budget for your bills and things like that, etc. But I want you to think about paying yourself first. You need to have money, invest money in yourself. If it's just $5 a day, $25 a week, that's enough money to get you started to put in the market. It doesn't take a lot of money to invest in the stock market. I know people may think it takes a whole lot of money. It actually doesn't. That's something that we will discuss a little bit later. I have to say this. I am not a financial advisor. Everything I say here is for educational purposes only. Before you make any investment, please do your own research. You're going to hear that a lot. If you start watching videos on YouTube with different, people giving out advice on investing in the stock market, you'll hear that phrase a lot. It's just something we have to say because we're not experts, and we don't want you to take it as we are experts in that field. I'm just giving you information from my experience from investing in the stock market. And you're going to hear a lot of YouTubers talking about different companies to invest in, different strategies to invest in. It's a lot of ways to make money in the stock market. But before you make any decisions, before you invest in anything, please do your own research. Don't take my advice, what I'm giving. Just don't take it and just run and invest in something that I say invest in or something that I'm talking about. Do your research. Do your own research. You have to do that. That's part of being a great investor. And I want to teach you all that along the way. Like I said, we starting from the beginner's level. I don't want to skip over anything. And if anything that you all questions you may have for me, put them down in the comment section so I can cover that for you all later on in another video. My goal on this channel is for you all, if you're not already investing, to start investing this year, but only when you're ready. You are the only person that can stop you. If you put in the time, educate yourself, you will be successful. It's like with anything you do. If you put in the time, educate yourself, you can do it. I'm going to start a new portfolio in March, and I want you all to follow me along this journey. I'm going to give you all pointers. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to show you what I'm investing in, and we're going to start with index funds. And the reason I say index funds, like I say, this is for beginners, index funds. And it doesn't take a lot of money to get started when you invest in index funds. Some funds, you can have a minimum of $1 to start. That's why we're going to start there, because I want you all to be able to get into the market and see your money work for yourself. I'm going to start with probably $5 to $10 a day. That's $25 a week. Preferably if I do $5, $100 a month, just going in automatic into an index fund. And I want you all to do whatever you can do to get started investing in an index fund. And I want you all to see how your money works in the market And once you see how your money start working in the market, you'll be like, okay, I want to put a little more. Because I want you to start with as much as you can. Because just say, for instance, if I put in $100 and the market goes up, let's say, just say easy number, 10%, and you put in, just say $10,000, my $100 will give me $10 return. Your $10,000 will give you $1,000. Just say you put $100,000 in and it goes up 10%, you will gain $10,000 in return. So the more money you put in, the more you gain. In the market, it depends on what you're investing in. Index funds, the return is roughly, probably 9 to 10% a year. But if we do individual stocks, that's when you can see 25, 30%, 40% return within a year. But we're not really ready to get into that yet, because I know like I said, we're starting from the beginning. I want to teach you all and get you all to that level of individual stocks, so you can have the knowledge and how to research a company, how to examine a balance sheet, to understand the revenue of a company, understand the moat of a company, understand the business plan of a company. I want to get you all to that level so you can do that. That's on down the line. By the end of the year, I want you all to see the benefits of having your money working for you, and you not only working for your money. And when the time comes, if you want to continue working, work. But I also want you all to have the option to retire if you would like to be. My goal for this channel, like I say, is financial freedom for everyone that follows my channel. And after a while, you start seeing your money work for you in the market. You start budgeting more. You start cutting back on the lunches that you buy, or the cup of coffee you buy every morning. That's $5. That could be $25 a week. Or cut back on shopping at some point. Clothes. I love clothes. I love shoes. I love the Jordan 11s. The ones, they cost a lot of money though. But I could actually own Nike stock. And Nike stock right now is around $140 per share. I could actually own that stock, and that stock can pay for those shoes later on down the line, which is a good thing. And then let me think of another company that everybody knows about. Everybody has these phones. Apple. Everybody have Apple devices, and everybody has an Apple phone. Well, except my wife. She doesn't have Apple phone. She has Android. But one thing she does have Apple stock, which is a good thing. But we're going to talk about individual stocks, like I said, later down the line, because actually Apple pays a dividend that can be reinvested into the company. A dividend is something that the company actually pays you for being invested in a company. We'll do videos on that later on down the line. There's a whole different video, whole nother topic that I want to get you all to eventually. So we have come to the end of this video. This really was my introduction video to YouTube. If you have any questions that you would like to ask, please drop down in the comment section and ask any question. I will do my best to answer them, or even do a video on them. Like I said, I'm here for you all, beginner investors. I've been there before, not knowing anything about the market, had questions. Nobody would give me the answers. Did a lot of reading, and finally I jumped in and I learned. But I learned so I can teach somebody else. And so if I can teach you all, and you won't make the mistakes that I made when I got in the market, I think I will be doing my job. Like I want everybody here to become financially independent. I want us to be able to build generational wealth. When I say generational wealth we can pass down to our kids, and they can pass to their kids. That's the goal. And hopefully we can get there together. It takes time. I'm not trying to get you all to jump in and just start putting money in. I want you all to learn, educate yourself, and I'm gonna be here to guide you along the way. So would you all please like, subscribe, and share this with some of your friends. And I'd like to thank you all for watching my video. Please have a great day and be blessed. See you on the next one.